Hey guys, welcome to SmartTech Xplore. Right now, one of the strangest trends on social media is blowing up across TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Millions of views are pouring in for grainy, security cam-style clips that capture animals doing the impossible, like bunnies bouncing on trampolines at 3 a.m., deer breaking into garages, or chimps raiding fridges like late-night snack thieves. Surprisingly, a very few people has tapped into this yet. It's still underground, but the few creators who got in early are turning their channels into non-stop viral factories. And here's the kicker, you don't need expensive software, fancy editing setups, or big budgets. With free AI tools I'm going to show you, you can start producing these surreal, caught-on-camera animal clips that make people stop scrolling instantly. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you step by step through the process of creating viral security cam-style animal videos in minutes. If you jump into this niche now, you'll be ahead of the curve, because once this trend hits the mainstream, it's going to get crowded fast. So watch this to the end, smash that like button, leave a comment if you're planning to try this, and hit subscribe for more viral growth hacks. Alright, let's get started. First stop, ChatGPT. That's where the magic begins. Here is already written prompt. I've prepared the prompt for you, and you'll find it in the description. Simply copy and paste this line into ChatGPT and watch the magic happen. It'll instruct ChatGPT to spit out 5 eerie, bizarre, totally surreal security camera scenarios. In seconds, you've got nightmare fuel ideas that are basically begging to go viral. It's the type of content that makes viewers pause, rewind, and question if their eyes are playing tricks on them. Picture it, an alicorn bouncing on trampoline at 3 a.m. Late-night moose in the garage, or a gorilla playing on the backyard trampoline in the middle of the night. These are the kinds of concepts people can't help but share.
Alright, listen closely. This is where people usually mess up. They try to perfect it, tweak every detail, and end up killing the magic. Don't do that. This isn't about perfect visuals, it's about weird, raw, scroll-stopping content that makes people tag their friends. So whatever scene ChatGPT throws at you first is your golden ticket. Copy it, hold on to it, because that's the spark will turn into your very first viral security cam video. This is where the real magic begins. We're diving into Google Veo 3, the top-of-the-line tool in free AI video generation. It's fast, sharp, and produces results so realistic that viewers are left questioning whether what they saw was staged or real. It might take a little extra effort to access compared to simpler tools, but the payoff is absolutely worth it. If you haven't grabbed your free 1-year trial of Veo 3 yet, now's the time. And if you want a full walkthrough tutorial, hit like and drop a comment saying Veo 3 tutorial so I know to make one for you.
Next, head over to the Gemini website and select Veo 3. Drop your ChatGPT scene description into the text box, hit enter, and give it a minute. What comes out looks like something dug up from a cursed VHS tape. Grainy textures, every movement feels disturbingly real, and then they vanish. It's haunting, eerie, and straight out of a nightmare. Dogs move and disappear so realistically, it's almost unbelievable. Creepy, captivating, and guaranteed to grab attention.
It tricks your brain into believing it, while your gut says something isn't right. That's Veo 3's magic. It's like bottled nightmare fuel, designed to grab attention. Now, let's push it further. I'll run another prompt. And wow, look at that. Stunning. But hold on, we're only scratching the surface. The next method, even faster.
But that's just one path. If Veo 3 is the high-performance showpiece built for stunning results, then Veo 2 is the dependable workhorse. Fast, straightforward, and ready for anyone to use. No sign-up hoops, no secret backdoors.
Access couldn't be easier. If you've got Google account, you're good to go. Just type Google AI Studio into your browser, hit the first link, head over to the Media Generation tab, and choose Veo. That's Veo 2 in action.
Select the aspect ratio you want. Paste your prompt, hit enter, and watch the magic happen. In almost no time at all, your creepy viral clip is finished. Faster than Veo 3, and still guaranteed to make people stop scrolling.
The visuals weren't as sharp as Veo 3, but they still had that eerie, caught-on-camera feel that grabs attention. The weak point is audio. Veo 2 doesn't generate those spine-tingling sounds on its own. To push it over the edge, you'll want to layer in atmospheric sound effects, static interference, a faint mechanical hum, or distant footsteps slowly fading away.
All right, let's switch things up. This time, we'll test a new prompt with a different aspect ratio to see how the vibe changes. That's all it takes. No big budget, no pro studio, just a wild idea, the right tools, and a few minutes of your time. No pro studio, just a wild idea, the right tools, and a few minutes of your time.
With just a few steps, you can start making those eerie, caught-on-tape animal videos that people can't stop rewatching. This niche is still underground, but it's heating up fast. If you wait, you'll be fighting through a sea of copycats. If you start now, you'll be the one everyone else is trying to keep up with. Don't wait for this trend to pass you by. Fire up ChatGPT, spark those bizarre ideas, feed them into Veo, and let the magic unfold. With just a little experimenting, your videos could be the ones viewers binge late at night, frozen to the screen, thinking, did that really just happen?
If this tutorial helped you, smash that like button so the algorithm pushes it out to more creators. Drop a comment with which scene idea you're gonna try first, and don't forget to subscribe because I've got more viral content hacks coming your way. See you in the next video. Goodbye.